All right, it's been a little while. Starting work on the 1967 Ford F600 series. It has the 360 in it, or excuse me, 361 cubic inch. I'm going to give it an oil change and probably change the fuel filter in it and the spark plugs. It does have an exhaust leak, which is fine because I'm going to pull this chassis off anyway and put it on a 2008 Ford chassis, 550. And then I'll have better tires, better rims, and get rid of this big honker of a rear end and everything else about it. It's going to be interesting. The battery in this is actually down into the floor, which is out of the way, I guess. Covered by that lid right there. Everything's in decent shape. It does have a little rust going on right here, but that's surface. Got a little bit of rot down there. That's not bad though. And everything else is pretty good on it. It's got a little rot down here also. And just a little bit right here. But I think we're good other than that. There's a top view of it. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we will get you updated as things get done.